Hello, everyone. My name is Roselyn. I'm an environmental activist. Specifically, I have a keen interest in renewable energy. My key takeaway from the symposium was that we as the youth should make a change in the smallest way that we can with whatever we have at the moment, even though we might be limited with resources and all that. We should make a change with what we can. I'm a very big advocate when it comes to pushing for renewable energy in my community, that is the Samburu community, because we are having a challenge where our community is fully dependent on firewood, which the women have to go a very long way for them to actually have access to that firewood. And most of the times it tends to be dangerous also for them. So I would love for them to actually move from the dependency on firewood to renewable energy, because they have manure in plenty. They have manure in plenty, and it will be easier for them also to avoid the straining on the women and also on everyone else. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, the Samburu community very well represented, and they are going places talking about renewable energy policies. So let's keep championing renewable energy for Africa, and let's help Africa be great again. Till next time, bye bye.